Folding wagons are versatile and practical tools that can simplify your life in many ways. Whether you're heading to the beach, going on a family outing, or simply needing to transport heavy items, a folding wagon can make the job easier. These wagons are not only convenient but also compact, making them easy to store and transport when not in use. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best folding wagons you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. Number 5. Cronda Heavy Duty Folding Cart. Your perfect partner for any daily hauling needs. Made with a durable iron frame that can support up to 220 pounds, this anti-oxidation and corrosion-resistant cart is built to last. The 600 by 300D Oxford fabric and PVC coating are also waterproof and tear-resistant, ensuring your belongings stay safe and dry in any weather condition. Equipped with 4 heavy-duty 7 by 4 inches thick wide wheels with double bearings and steering bearings, the Cronda Collapsible Wagon can smoothly navigate through any terrain from sand to concrete. The front wheels are also equipped with brakes, making it easy to park on slopes. With its unique 4-wheel folding design, the cart can be easily set up and folded in seconds, making storage and transportation a breeze. The high-strength aluminum alloy frame can withstand a weight of 220 pounds, while the 34-gallon capacity provides ample space for your belongings. At just $139, the Cronda Heavy Duty Folding Cart is a steal for its quality and durability. Get yours today and make hauling a breeze. Number 4. Moonland's Collapsible Utility Wagon. The perfect companion for your outdoor adventures. With its large capacity of 36.6 by 22.4 by 15.3 inches and a weight capacity of up to 220 pounds, this wagon can easily transport all your gear and equipment. The wagon features all-terrain wheels and an adjustable telescoping handle, making it easy to maneuver on any surface. What sets this wagon apart is its ease of use. The internal pull rope design allows for quick and effortless folding with no installation required. It can be easily stored at home, in your garage, or your car trunk with the included carry-on bag. Made from 600D Oxford fabric and PVC material, this wagon is not only durable and waterproof, but also tear-resistant. The adjustable handle can be extended to 31.5 inches, making it suitable for people of all heights. Additionally, the 2 mesh cup holders ensure your beverages are always within reach. At only $139, the Moonland's Collapsible Utility Wagon is the perfect blend of convenience and affordability. Number 3. Sekey Collapsible Folding Wagon. Experience hassle-free hauling with the Sekey Collapsible Folding Wagon. Boasting a large internal volume and a sturdy steel frame, it can carry up to 220 pounds of goods with ease. The wagon also features 2 mesh cup holders to keep your beverages safe and secure while you transport your belongings. With its coaxial steering system, the wagon is easy to maneuver in any direction, making it ideal for various terrains. Its 7 inches all-terrain wheels are 3 times wider than those of other wagons, ensuring smooth movement even over rough surfaces. Plus, its 600D Oxford waterproof fabric won't tear, even with sharp objects inside. Setting up the wagon is a breeze, with no assembly required. Its adjustable handle rotates smoothly, and an additional spring device prevents it from falling. When not in use, the wagon can be conveniently stored at home, in the garage, or in the car boot. At only $129, the Sekey Collapsible Folding Wagon is a durable and practical investment for anyone in need of a reliable transport solution. Number 2. Hikenture Collapsible Wagon. Experience hassle-free transportation of your belongings with the Hikenture Collapsible Wagon. Designed with a deeper and larger storage space, this beach wagon boasts a capacity of 200-liter or 7 cubic feet, which is 4 times larger than a 24-inch suitcase, or 7 times larger than a 20-inch suitcase. Its super large 4 inches wheels with unique anti-slip pattern make it capable of transporting loads on multiple terrains, including sandy beaches and rough terrains. The wagon's patented collapsible construction allows it to fold down to just 13 by 8.8 by 24.4 inches, nearly half the size of other wagons despite its larger capacity, making it easy to store anywhere. Equipped with a flexible telescoping handle and sturdy stainless steel frame, this foldable cart is built to last and can carry up to 220 pounds. Enjoy your adventures in the sun with the Hikenture Collapsible Wagon, available for just $101. Number 1. Timber Ridge Folding Double-Decker Wagon. Introducing the Timber Ridge Folding Double-Decker Wagon, the ultimate solution for all your transportation needs. With its extended lower shelf measuring a total of 54 inches, this double-decker wagon is perfect for carrying longer oversized items that won't fit inside a regular wagon. Constructed with sturdy 20mm by 10mm steel pipes, our collapsible wagon cart ensures a large loading capacity of up to 225 pounds, while the all-terrain 8-inch diameter wheels make it suitable for any occasion. The 360 degrees rotating front wheels make maneuvering this beach wagon easy, while its quick and easy setup means no assembly is required. Its compact foldable design allows for easy storage in your trunk, garage, or closet, making transportation hassle-free. For only $169, experience the convenience and versatility of the Timber Ridge Folding Double-Decker Wagon today. That just finished our video. Which one is your favorite? Why not let us know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed the video, give us a like. If you want to see more high-quality videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button and you'll get the latest videos straight to your mailbox. That way, you'll never miss a future upload. See you in the next video.